Hi girls, today is Tuesday, March 24th, and on the new app that we're using, Zearn, you are working on mission 5. The first probably 25 lessons or so that you will be doing are review. So I'm going to do quick reviews of the first couple lessons so that you can go through it quickly. Some girls have already gone through it, which is great, and I'm so proud of you. So let's remember what a unit fraction is. A unit fraction represents one part. For example, 1/4, 1/5, 1/10. Also, we have our sums of unit fractions. So if I were going to represent 3/5 as a sum of unit fractions, it would be 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. I have 3 copies of the 1/5. That's a word you'll see in Zearn. Now remember, I can also write this as a multiplication sentence. Remember how many copies of the 1/5 you have, which is 3 copies of, I said that word of with that multiplication sign, the 1/5. So 3/5 is equal to 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5, but I can also write it as a multiplication sentence. 3/5 equals 3 times 1/5. What you're also going to see a review of is the number bonds. So I'm going to take that same 3/5 and I'm going to represent it using number bonds. Maybe it'll look like this: 1/5, another 1/5, and another 1/5. However, maybe I'll change it up a little bit. Still working with that 3/5. If I don't use unit fractions, maybe I'll work with 2/5 and think, how many more do I need to have 3/5? Well, I need 1/5. So my number sentence for this one would be 3/5 equals 2/5 plus 1/5. Another thing you'll start to see is the decomposition of a fraction into smaller parts. So let's say I still have my 3/5. So on Zearn, you might have to decompose the whole into parts. 3/5 would be 1, 2, 3. But let's say I take my 3/5 or my fifths and I make them 2 times smaller. So that means this 5th is going to be cut in 2, this 5th cut in 2, this 5th cut in 2, this one, and this one. Now what do I have? Well, I have 6 smaller pieces out of 10. So 3/5 is equal to 6/10. This is a review of what you would see in Zearn in lessons 1, 2, and 3. Please remember that when you are using Zearn, that you have to do each activity in order to unlock the lesson. So it will take you several minutes to go through everything, which is great. And like I said, I've already seen some girls who have done both lessons 1 and 2, and I appreciate it and I love it. And I'm looking forward to seeing more of the work. I'll see you tomorrow, girls. Bye.